A very good evening. I'm meteorologist Jack Drake with a wet weather update. A lot of rain expected Wednesday afternoon through Thursday. This is just a really wet pattern. It's going to keep raining. You're going to see a lot of rain in the forecast. But let's get you through this next storm here. A flood watch is in effect. We expect heavy rain. I've increased rainfall totals for Wednesday into Thursday to 1.5 to 3 inches of rain, pretty much statewide. The only county that might be an exception, northern Litchfield County, might get a little bit less rain, but otherwise, if you're in Connecticut, you're about to get dumped on Wednesday night into Thursday. And really, the Wednesday evening commute could be pretty tricky. Expecting a lot of ponding on roadways. I'll show you what I'm talking about here in just a second. So I fast forwarded this to 3 p.m. This is 3 p.m. Wednesday. We're seeing that shield of rain start to work in. We have really good lift, a tropical moisture feed up from Florida. So this is rain that's in Florida today. It's going to move off the Carolina coast and eventually impact us here in Connecticut tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night. And look at these rainfall rates as you head through your evening commute. So 5 p.m. to 7 p.m., the I-84 to the I-95 corridor, really seeing a lot of rain. As we fast forward through the night, you're just going to see a lot of that. Look at these oranges and reds in central Connecticut just dumping rain down. And I really think we're going to see the full 1.5 to 3 inch totals out of the storm. We have to watch this one, especially for urban poor drainage flooding, local ponding on roadways, low-lying stream flooding, all that's good stuff that we've experienced so many times over the last year. Where did that drought of 2022 go? It seems like a distant memory. It's been so wet and so rainy lately, and that trend is just going to continue through this foreseeable future here. But as we even head into, these are the early morning hours of Thursday, we might hit a little bit of a dry slot, but look what happens Thursday during the day. We have that rain work back in as the low pressure system strengthens offshore. That rain's going to pivot around and really just, put the icing on the cake as far as a really wet stretch of weather the next 24 to 48 hours. Let me show you the rainfall totals from this model. Yeah, a lot of rain. We're looking at 2.42 inches in Danbury, about 2.5 to 3 inches through the greater Hartford metro, and even higher totals eastern Connecticut, Rhode Island, and Massachusetts. I think the main flooding concern for river flooding, probably Rhode Island and Massachusetts, but everyone's getting enough rain to see impacts here, I think, tomorrow night and Thursday morning as really the heavy rain rates come in. So I'm meteorologist Jack Drake. Thanks for watching. Stay dry.